Hi guys, Gigi here with a short video on how to recode the keys to a Toyota. Um, I usually don't code keys and do stuff like that, but this time one of my friends came to me and said he lost both his keys from the Toyota Yaris. And he was with the car to the dealer. He bought a new key, and the dealer tried to code the new key, and it was not possible for the dealer to do it. So he asked me for help. I've looked for information before I told him yes or no. He came with the car, and this is the first time I do something like this. And this is how I did it because I could find only bits and pieces of information on the internet, in forums and all the stuff. People did it before, but nobody was really showing the complete information. So for all you people out there that do not have expensive tools, uh, it's simple to do with a FVDI, which should be pretty cheap to buy these days, and a simple Eeprom reader. So first of all, you will have to take the immobilizer box out of the car. It's located behind the matrix heater, so between the firewall and the matrix heater. You have to unmount the dash and take it out. Inside of this immobilizer box, you will find an Eeprom 93C56 Eeprom, which you will have to read with the Eeprom reader. Save the dump somewhere on your machine, and then get your FVDI tool. And this is how it's done. So we get the FVDI. We put the new key in the Tango reader of the tool and start the tag tool. So let's see, checking on the interface, programmer found, and everything is okay. So you will just have to press auto detect and just read detect, just to be sure that it will detect the key. It will detect it and says, this is your key, this is the manufacturer identifier. So all this information we will have to put inside the EEPROM of the immobilizer. Um, Not many people know how to do this, and nobody wanted to share this information actually. So you will have to go to the key tool here, and from the menu just select Toyota, and Toyota will say all models. Let's see, ST, Toyota all models. Okay, then what you have to do is load the dump. I have a few dumps here, as you can see. My friend's name is Tommy. And as you can see, I tried with CarProg, it didn't work. But I read the EEPROM with CarProg and with an EEPROM reader and compare just to be sure that the files are okay. So this is the EEPROM. We load it and we get a message saying that this is the Texas Instruments 4D with ID70 transponders, and um, we have to program the key into this dump and then put the EEPROM back into the car. So I will say this is the correct dump and I confirm, and I will make the key 0. So the key is in the Tango reader. I say prepare the key. It says place the key inside and make sure the antenna, it will read the key. That's why I tried it before. So I will say okay and done. Now I will save. Um, let's say EEPROM key 0 because I have programmed the key 0. And just to be sure, I will also add one more key. I get the used key. I want to program it into the EEPROM reader, and I will prepare. I will load again the dump with the key 0 inside, and then I will prepare key 1 and say prepare key 1. Put out the key in the Tango reader. Say OK. It will prepare it. I dump it, I will say save it, Eeprom both keys, bin. I save this one and exit. And then I will save the Eeprom. I will solder the Eeprom into the immobilizer box, put the immobilizer box into the car, start the car, and that should be it. So this is easy to do with FVDI. I've tried the same procedure with CarProg. It's not working. So if you have a FVDI, this is the procedure. Read the EEPROM, put the key in the Tango, save it in the dump, solder the EEPROM back, put the IMO box in the car, start the car. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.